Are regulatory compliance challenges hindering your ability to experience digital transformation? These are the top 4 contributing factors we have heard from our customers and how DSA has helped them solve these very problems. Onerous record keeping. Do manufacturing and industry regulatory safety or compliance measures require excessive data collection, record keeping, and reporting? Well, DSA offers automation engineering services to streamline the efforts and reduce labor costs associated with compliance initiatives. Managing complexities. Do your research, manufacturing, and business processes rely on overly complex and varied communication protocols or system architectures? Well, DSA integrates disparate systems, data sources, machines, and communication protocols to simplify and standardize data models and accessibility. Distributed systems. Is critical process data being collected and stored across distributed systems, networks, or facilities? DSA automates the aggregation, organization, and visualization of research, product, manufacturing, and test data for improved, timely, and data-driven business insights. Component recall traceability. Do your manufactured parts, sub-assemblies, and integrated products require traceability to the component, line, machine, operator levels, and throughput the supply chain? With a systemized approach, DSA eliminates the time-consuming, aggravating, and embarrassing tasks of recall traceability and compliance